Hello Dr. Tay, I am Aidil Hakim and this is the simulation for outcome 1. As you can see here, there are 3 main state machines which are normal operation and ART crossing. This state machine handles the ART crossing. Secondly is smart system state machine. This is for the vehicle priority, and lastly is alert notification state machine, which is for the alert notification. Alright, so I have run this simulation and let's take a look at the first state machine. These states are to handle the normal operation, while all these other states are to handle the emergency vehicle operation. So in the case where the ART is detected and the junction is operating as normal, then I will toggle this switch to indicate that the ART is detected. So the amber light here will turn on to alert drivers that the ART is coming, and after 10 seconds this lane will be given priority, which is parallel with the ART to ensure traffic flow. So now whenever there is an emergency vehicle incoming in any of these 4 lanes, let's say in lane C, so I will turn this on. So now that this lane will be turning green to allow the emergency vehicles to go in any direction. So now in the case where both the ART and emergency vehicles are incoming at the same time, and the emergency vehicle is detected prior to the ART, this is how the simulation will look like. So again, I will use the C lane, and immediately the ART is detected. So this lane will turn green first for the emergency vehicle, and after 5 seconds, then the ART alert light will turn on, and after 10 seconds the lane will shift to give priority to the ART. Okay. For the second state machine, which is the vehicle priority, there are 4 toggle switches here to indicate the presence of each car on the lane. So for instance, we detected there is a car at M cross lane, which should be this side or this side. So let's turn on. Currently it's at C straight, and after I turn on the toggle switch for M cross, it will give some time for the system to as a buffer time to allow drivers to slow down. So now at M cross, the system will now change to this crossing light immediately. As for the normal operation, after allowing C light to turn cross, then normally it will go to M straight. But in this case, since M cross is detected and M straight is not detecting any car, then it will straight away skip to allow M cross cars. So it's the same for other vehicle as well. So now we can see that so for now the M straight lanes are given green light, and now the system detected there is car waiting at C straight. So the system will now immediately allow C straight cars to go by the junction. So this is the state machine. Okay. And lastly, for the alert notification, let me toggle the switch to indicate that there is a car in the middle of the junction, and after 2 minutes this alert flashing light will turn on to indicate an accident or vehicle obstructing the path of the junction, the passage of the junction. So in the meantime, let's take a look at the normal operation. It starts at west and east straight lanes first before giving buffer time, and moving on to the cross lane for both west and east. After that, it will go to the north and south lanes and give straight lanes first before again turning into the turn right or U-turn lanes. After that, it will repeat the initial operation and allow the west and east lanes to go straight, continued by the turning lanes. Alright, so what happens when there are multiple emergency vehicles crossing the junction? So in this case, let's say an emergency vehicle is coming from C1 and from M lanes. So I will toggle both of these on. Oh, sorry, C is actually on top lane. So upon toggling, this lane will be allowed to go first, since it is detected earlier than M lane. And now after that, after it has passed the junction, we will detect M lane emergency vehicle. And it looks like the 2 minutes timer is up, so the flashing light is turned on to indicate that there is a vehicle in the middle of the junction for 2 minutes. And that's about it for the simulation for outcome 1. Thank you for watching.